Good afternoon. Today is Monday, April the 7th. Today was supposed to be my first day back at work. I work in childcare. We have a new building, so it's like a new opening. Today would have been the first day of the opening. Well, I'm here in Louisville, Kentucky, where the city has been flooded out. It's been raining for the last 4 days. Um, so when we get to work, surprisingly, two of the rooms were flooded. Again, this is a brand new building. Um, so that has delayed the opening for another week. Um, I haven't worked since the end of December. Um, well, first, let me say I have no rights to the music, but the music I'm playing is needed at the moment. Uh, I just was reaching out.